We know that our home is the most important place in the world. That's why we at IKEA, we are dedicated to make life at home better for many people. That's the reason why in this year, earlier March, we went to your houses and did a visit.
And we saw all the frustrations and all the things that could have improved and the solutions that we have. And today, what you will be seeing in a short while is the solutions based on all the frustration and how IKEA could provide a solution that is usable in your own house.